Hey guys, Scott here from headlightreviews.com. Link here at the bottom. Here to do an installation and review of the Beamtech LED Headlight Kit in a 2015 4Runner, giving you a step-by-step tutorial and review along the way. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe down below, hit the like button, leave a comment, let us know what you think. The Beamtech Headlight Kit ships in a small box from Amazon.com. It comes in a little padded compartment here inside the box. Both headlights are made of metal, seem to be pretty good quality, pretty typical for an aftermarket headlight. And then it also comes with this little instructional book with some pictures and detailed instructions on how to install. So we'll see how good these instructions are. So you can either disconnect the negative terminal on your battery for safety, or some people prefer not to. We recommend doing so. There's 4 steps in installing an LED kit. Step 1 is to unplug your current headlight. Different vehicles will vary a little bit, but for the most part it's just a counterclockwise twist on the headlight bulb. Sometimes it's easier to actually unplug it. So we've unplugged the wiring from the headlight, and now we're going to unscrew the headlight and unclip it. Here's the bulb. So I'm going to install the Beamtech headlight. It's pretty typical for the headlight to have little notches in it so that the headlight fits in the right direction in the headlight. So just take a look at the housing and make sure you're putting the bulb in the right way. Alright, and there it's in. Now we just plug it in.
Overall, it's a great headlight kit. You can see how much wider it is than the standard yellow halogen that typically comes in vehicles these days. It only took us about 10 minutes to install in this test vehicle, and you can see it really changes the look of the car. They're available right now for about $35 on Amazon. We'll put a link down below. And again, let us know in the comments what you think. If you have any thoughts, if you've tried these out, and give us a like and a subscribe. Happy headlighting.